Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you the video editing app that I use to edit my videos for my gaming channel and as well for my YouTube main channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First you go to App Store and then go to the search tab and search for VN. The first suggestion you get at the top, you can tap on it. As you can see, VN, it's a quick and pro video editor. So in case you want to make a quick video editing or for professional users, those are those that have video projects to carry out, you can make use of this app on your iPhone. I'm not sure it's available for Android users, but for iPhone users you get the best video editing software. It's very powerful, basic video editing tools that you need. And if you don't have it yet, you can download. For those who have it, you can simply just open. Since I already have it, I'm going to be showing you some quick tool that I make use of using the app, and also how you can also get the best. You can click on open if you are done downloading. Okay guys, this is how the app looks once you open. So here is the home tab, here is the profile where you get to register for the app. You get a login if you want to create an account. That's if you want cloud backup. If you don't want the local backup, you can register where your projects are saved into the cloud. And here is the credit center. So use AI tools and the app, you need this credit center. So but it still doesn't stop you from actually editing. So let's actually get to editing. As you can see here, you see I'm not currently on the pro version, and for just 1,600 naira, which is roughly $1.07 thereabouts, you can get free access, complete access to the app. I mean, you can unlock all charged materials and fonts, unlimited number of projects, unlimited VN template creation, project hair, encryption protection, and all. So those are the things you get to enjoy for the paid feature. But you can still make use of the app and get the best use of the app using the regular version, just the free version. So but the only limitation here, you click on this plus icon at the lower right corner of the phone. When you tap on that, you can see I have 95 remaining. So basically it means that I can only edit up to 100 projects on this free trial version, free version rather. So for somebody like me, I mean 100 is actually a lot, but I've been on the premium version and I've used it and it was the best. So but then I don't create videos that much. So let's just go get into the video with the project. So you can tap on your project. If your editing is going to be video based, you tap on video based. If it's going to be audio based, you tap on audio based. For me, I'm going to be going with the video based option, and then you get to select the video you want to edit, and then you tap on continue. So here is the outlook of the editing interface. So what are the options we have here? As you can see, we have the tap to add music. Once you tap on this, you can add music, you can add sound effects, you can also record your voice in case you want to create like a voice over the video. So for those of you who are into sales, who are into voiceover type of videos, you can make use of a record option. For sound effects, if you have a pre-recorded voiceover, maybe an artificial artificial intelligence type of voiceover, a text to speech type of sound. You can add it through the sound effects. And for music, these are built-in music, or you can add your own music as well. You tap on music, for an instance, you get to see music, favorites, my music. So on the my music tab, you can extract from videos. You can also bring in music from your iTunes, and you can also use music from the app, music that are built in already on the app. You see, we have different genre of music. We have log, pop, dynamic, fresh, acoustic, electronic, hip hop. So for an instance, let's go with electronic. um so these are the available sounds in electronic. Whichever one you want, you just go ahead to download it. You can go to the hip hop parts as well. See, these are all the sounds, hip hop music that are available that you can use. Dynamic, these are all the hip hop, the dynamic music that you can use. And for acoustic, these are all the acoustic sound that you can use. So these are all free. You can just tap on download on whichever one you want, and once it downloads, you can hear the sound it's currently playing. Tap on use, and you can add it to the editing interface. So in case you want to make it longer, you want to make it shorter, you can duplicate it and you place it right the next. And once you start the video, the sound is already playing. So it's basically how that part works. You can also add text. So maybe you want to introduce a subtitle. You can, of course, you can import your SRT file. You can import it from your file app, or you can also get it via Wi-Fi. Or you want to add a title. These are the different headings. So you want to add a big title. So you type on what you want. You can place it anywhere on the screen. You can change the color. You can change the text, shadow. You can change the background if you want. You can tweak it anyhow you want, and you can also stretch it out in case you want to stretch it out. So this is how you get that done. So basically, however way you want to go about it. So you can also add graphics. You can add elements. You can add pictures. These are media files. You can add photos. You can add different elements. These are the built-in elements. So for instance, you want to add the subscribe button. You want to add shapes, frames, social media logo. For those of you that you can place it at the right edge of your screen. Your social media pages and handles. You can add that. You can add Facebook, whatever it is, you can add. And then for the video, you can trim. You can trim out the parts you don't want. Just tap on splits, and then whatever it is, wherever you want, you tap on split, and then you hover over the splitted parts that you want to remove, and you tap on delete. Here you can make use of filters, variety of filters that are available. You can make use of any one. You can go over to trim, and you can, of course, make use of that as well. You can make use of that, how you want to trim the video, how long, how short you want it to be. Then FX, and add this beautiful all right, so you can also, I forgot, you can also add, you can increase the speed of the video, you can increase the volume, decrease the volume, make it back to whichever one you want, and all of these things you can explore. If you want to blow out a part, for an instance, I'm going to be blowing out the part, some parts in this actual video. You can blur it out. For an instance, see, you can blur it. You can increase the intensity of the blur. You can decrease it. You can add opacity some area, as you can see. Then also make use of auto caption. You can make use of auto caption, but the thing is, for auto caption, it's basically it's a premium feature, but the thing is, you can make use of the trial version of the app and you get access to the auto caption, because they charge based on credit cost. So once you pay for the premium version, you get 100 credits, and you can use it over time. You charge from the credits score, but the reason why I don't have that anymore is because I'm no longer on the premium version. So these different stuff you can use. As you can see, this is the mosaic. If you need to blur out parts, for instance, parts where it got the message, you can simply just blur it out. So right, as you can see, so basically you can do that, and you can stretch it out based on the timing, how long you want it to be there. As you can see, you can do that, and you can do a lot of other things. So what do you think about this app? Do you think it is worth it? I mean, the final part, in case you want to change the dimension of the video, you can tap on this on the center screen at the top, and you can change to, if you want, this is for a TikTok type of video, for Instagram, for YouTube, for Instagram stories. This is 2 to 3, whatever video screen size setting you want to use, you can swap, you can switch. This is for iPhone custom. That's also one of the things you can do. When you want to save your video, you go ahead, when you're done with your project, you tap on the button right here on the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, so you can save your video in however format you want, however resolution. As you can see, you see export settings 1080p at 30 fps. If you want auto, you can tap on auto and you'll see the estimated file size. If you want manual size, for me, I set my video resolution to 720 pixel at 30 fps, and I still get the HD quality. Get an HD quality. You can turn on HDR, at least it gives you better video quality and sound. And you can leave the FPS at 30. You can leave your FPS at 30. If you want, you can increase your Mbps. That's your average bitrate. So usually I leave it at whatever it is, because of the file size. The higher it is, the higher the bitrate, the higher the file size. So as you can see, for me, I oftentimes leave it at 5.0, and then you tap on, once you're done, you tap on export, and that's it, you're done. So once the project has been saved, you find it automatically in your file, your iPhone photos app. So, and you can make use of it from there on. These are some of the gaming projects that I edited recently, and it's been what I've been using. So yes, so that's basically how you make use of the best video editing software for iPhone. If you are on a tight budget and you still want the best, you can make use of the VN app. And in case you're new to my channel, please, here's my gaming channel. I just uploaded this video a couple of minutes ago before I started recording this, and you can as well subscribe to my channel where I make insightful videos, how-to videos, especially hacks and stuffs. So thank you very much for watching, and see you.